Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to find someone's Instagram account. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Instagram app and then log into your account. And then after that, you can click on this search option on the bottom of your screen. And then type that someone's name right here. Okay. Alright, and then you have to click see all results. And then choose accounts right here. Alright, and then you can scroll your screen to find someone that you were looking for. And you can click on the account to check it. Okay. Alright guys, that's how we can find someone's Instagram account. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and also subscribe this channel. Bye!